Good afternoon to all my clients out there. This is a Yogi Larry Butler. I quickly want to talk about this Repair Secrets. It's a very good product. Very, very good product. Repair Secrets. In any product you're making, any recipe you're doing, let it go. Don't forget to always put it in your recipe. Be it face cream, be it body cream, be it anything. Just let it go in there. It will always make your work come out perfect. Honestly, it will ginger your product for you. Ginger the ginger. This is what they call ginger the ginger. Let it go in any recipe you are making, and it can be used alone. For our big aunties, big mummies, all those wrinkles, fine lines, all those wrinkles on your hand, wrinkles on your leg, anywhere, any